Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to show you some products from JOSIE MARAN. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. This is my box. This is what I got. I have not looked at it. I don't even know if I remember what's in it. Let's see if this is one of those horrifically difficult boxes to open. Yes, it is. You know, I just don't like it when boxes are so difficult to open. I'm gonna get my knife and I'm gonna try and crack this baby open. But I can't figure it out. All right, so these things come out through here. I can't figure it out. I don't know why they make these so difficult to open. I mean, what are they thinking? Do they think that they're going to be opened at the post office or something? I can't open it. Okay, I'm going to have to break it. Okay, let me break it. Okay, it really wasn't that difficult. I was able to open it up. There was like a seal down there and you just have to go like this. All right, you don't want to know. Oh, there's a pretty box. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. So let me tell you the backstory behind these products and why I have them. Typically, I do not buy products that are this expensive. I was hired to try some new products that they want to bring out. So I tried the new products, I participated, and then they gave me a voucher for their store. So I went to their store and I bought some items. So these were not free. These were the consequences of work for something else that you haven't seen yet because it's not out in the market. So let me show you what I did buy, which is in the market. This is a very pretty color. Oh, I love the color. Do you know anything about JOSIE MARAN? I want to tell you something about her because I looked it up and I thought it was pretty interesting. She actually started out as a model, but she was so young, 17 years old, and she was already signed with Elite. Her first cover was with Glamour magazine. So, I mean, this girl, she just started, in my opinion, at the top. So, yeah, you know, kudos for her at that young age. She is young. And the other thing is that she was born in California, but her father is a Russian Jewish background. I thought that was quite neat. I thought that was interesting as well. Another interesting bit of information that I found out about her is that she went to an all-girls school. So that's interesting. The school was in Palo Alto. I think that's a fancy area in California, right? I'm not quite sure because I'm not familiar with California. I'm at the other end of the states. So let me show you what I decided to buy. I bought this. I wonder if I have an invoice here so I can tell you what the prices were. You know, these are pricey items. They're a little too pricey. I normally would not buy items this cost. Okay, so I bought this called Divine Drip. I think that the packaging is beautiful. The reason I bought it is because it had the honey as one of the ingredients, and I am a believer that honey is very, very good for you. And this is a treatment for your neck. You know that that's something I hate. I hate my neck. So I'll try anything. But basically, I think that what I need is surgery. Oh my gosh, another box I can't open. This is a box I can't open because look, it's so cute. Look at the shape. Isn't that pretty? So, Divine Drip. Let me see. It has organic argan oil, synthetic. I mean, yeah, synthetic fragrance free. I don't know, what does that mean? Paraben free and gluten free and cruelty free and recyclable. Oh, it doesn't have any synthetic fragrances. What's wrong with me? I'm having a blonde moment. All right, and it says that this is Divine Drip Argan Oil with Honey Sleeping Nectar. I have no clue what that is. Okay, that's something they're making up because there's no such thing as a honey sleeping nectar. I've never heard of that. All right, so this is the jar. The package here is much more interesting and unique than the jar. The jar doesn't say a thing. That's the jar. It says nothing to me. I actually don't even like it. I like pretty jars. This is not a pretty tin top. Do you think that's a pretty tin top? No, it's like a cheap top. Okay, this is pretty because it's glass. That's not bad. I don't understand why there's like a hole there. Do you see the hole? I don't know. I don't know. I don't smell anything. Oh well, because it had a plastic on it. Oh my gosh, I'm batting 1,000 today. I'm not doing well. It has a light scent to it, and it's very cushiony. When you go like this, it's very cushiony, and then you get a soft. Oh, I love the way it feels. It feels luxurious, emollient. It spreads and it feels as if it's semi-cream, semi-oil. That must be the argan. I'm curious to know what other ingredients are in here. It says apply nightly to face, neck, and décolleté. That's where I'm going to put it the most. It says use alone or layer over. And then it says another product that they sell. I don't have, so I'm not going to worry about it. And as far as the list of ingredients, it has a lot of ingredients that I cannot see. Oh, I'm trying to read it in French. Oh, I can't do that. I can't find the ingredients. I hate that. Can't be just this. Oh, it's on the back. That's a big list of ingredients. Okay. All right, let's see. It's got water. It's got alcohol. It's got glycerol. It's got coconut oil, glycerin. It's okay. It's got apple fruit extract. I don't see anything that's impressing me. Coconut seed butter oil. I don't know what that is. Yeah, all right, so I'm not highly impressed. Let me go down the list because sometimes they have the cheaper ingredients on the top and the more expensive ones on the bottom. Okay, this one is something I like, royal jelly extract. And I have to tell you, that was the reason I bought the product, because it had royal jelly extract. And I happen to be a fan of anything that has to do with honey, and in particular, royal jelly extract. Now, I am going to see if I find here's the, what do you call it, the invoice. I'm going to try and peel it off so that I can see the price. That's the problem with unboxings. You know, if you're going to unbox, really, you have to have everything semi-ready to open. So the Divine, what was the name of it? Divine Drip. I like that name, Divine Drip. So the Divine Drip argan oil and honey sleeping nectar. I don't know about that. Was $55. See, I would not. If they had not given me like that money to buy it, honestly, I just wouldn't have bought it. I would not have. Who knows? Maybe I use it. I'm going to have to do a follow-up video, but I think that's too expensive, especially when you're getting a tin for a top like this. It's cheapo. Why didn't they give me a pretty dispenser? I like pretty. All right, and now I'm going to show you the other product that I bought. And this was the Argan Milk Body Renewal Serum Winter Gardenia, because they have different, not flavors, but different scents that you can buy when you buy this product. And I got the one that's Winter Gardenia. So this one, I have to say, this one has a beautiful dispenser. You know, isn't that pretty? And this is plastic. And look at how pretty they were able to do that. See, I would not mind having this on my counter. I would not mind looking at this. But there's something about this that I don't like, and it's this top. They needed to change this lid, and instead of using this cheap lid, put a pretty lid. The jar is very nice. It's a glass jar, but the lid is cheapo. All right, so this one was $44. So yeah, it's expensive. This one is made with argan oil as well. It says whipped argan oil body butter, and you apply it for optimal skin rejuvenation, and you shake it well. And I don't see any ingredients, so I guess it's just, it says argan oil and lactic acid. This must be really good for your skin. Really good for your skin. As a, let me see, is it locked? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, there we go. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Yes. I like it. Okay, I like it because it's very thin, and when I go to sleep, I like to put products that are going to go into my skin real quickly. And this is what I do. If this doesn't keep my skin moisturized, then I'll put a heavier one on top, which kind of defeats the purpose, right? All right, but that's what I do. I like my creams. What can I tell you? And I think this is very pretty. So I like it. And then these are the samples that I chose that they gave me. They gave me the, what? I can't read it. Let's read it from the list. They gave me the argan beta retinoid pink algae, which I don't know which one it is because I can't see. Oh, this one. And this is very expensive stuff. I don't remember the price because it's just the sample. They gave me the Bright Skin Vitamin C Serum, and they gave me the Protect and Perfect. I don't know what this is. Some kind of, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a daily moisturizer with SPF of 47. So that's what they gave me. So basically, had I not gotten my coupon that they gave me for trying their new product that is going to be out in the market, I cannot talk about it. I got these two things. Had I bought them, it would have been $44 and $55. So, you know, I'll do a follow-up video on these two products and let you know what I think about them. Because you know how I am. I do not buy expensive products. The only product that I'm on the edge, and I think I might buy it because I truly, truly, truly liked it, was that Strivectin peptide product that I did a video on that I said, wow. Wow, this is amazing. I did a before and after on that one. So that's amazing. $99, but wow, amazing. Okay, so I hope that you liked my video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.
Totally.